guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going through the store this morning. I put a little thing on Instagram last night and said we're getting close to 100 orders, and the person that is 100, I'm going to do something special and give him a bunch of stuff. Well, Polo is number 100, so I want to thank all of you guys for shopping with us.
On today's episode, I want to take the time to talk about a different channel here on YouTube that I'm extremely grateful for many reasons. They put a lot of good content, and I certainly hope that people appreciate what they do, because deep down inside they're providing us with so much knowledge that I am beyond grateful for what you guys are doing. Who am I talking about? LHT Performance. As most of you know, I bought a few years back a S2000 that was in not so great condition. And I must say, because of a lot of the content that I've been watching from that channel, I was actually able to sort out a lot of things on this car. So in many ways, I'm very grateful to LHT Performance for what they do, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have added such a nice running S2000. With that being said, I just want to say that, you know, for all of you that haven't heard of LHT Performance, clearly, if you have an S2000, you probably know by now, but if you don't, you need to go over there and check it out, because what John, George, and Esther are doing, they give us a lot, especially to our community. You know, it's such a family-oriented channel. I watch it with my son all the time, believe it or not. My kid is a year and a half old, and nowadays you got to be careful with what you put in front of your children. And LHT Performance, believe it or not, the kid enjoys it. I enjoy it. It's entertaining. Not to mention that there's like a lot of information that you can take from that channel. I mean, space grease. They give you so many tips. Why isn't your cruise control working on your S2000? The answer is there. If you watch all these channels, the answer is there. Why won't my S2000 start? The answer is there. I fixed all of these thanks to John and the crew. So, thank you. Now the reason for today's video is this guy right here. And as you can see, there's 100 there. I happen to order, as this is going to be an unboxing of sorts. So I ordered this t-shirt, which I will now put on. Wow, as you can see, it fits nicely. It's very nice material. So thank you guys, I love it. And what happened was, he was running a promotion at LHT Performance. I wasn't even aware of it. So what I'm gonna show you guys, I mean the packaging, by the way, it's awesome. And it does come with a very nice note there. Thank you, I noticed. And a lot of bubble wrap, very important. I didn't have to wait 3 weeks for this, like some companies out there, but let's stay positive here. What he did is he threw some things in there additional, and I'm like amazed. I haven't seen what's inside this box yet, because I wanted the reaction to show through in the video. So here we go. Wow. So we get another t-shirt, Craftworks. That's really cool. I am definitely wearing that, although I don't have a supercharger on my car yet. Little coaster, very cool. Oh wow. I should have probably got a nice fancy knife like they have. I know. A little blade, huh? What is this? I think I see. This looks like sunglasses. That's funny. It is sunglasses. Oh, Honda sunglasses. That's really cool, guys. Holy smokes. Got sunglasses. Look at that. That's really cool. Love it. Oh, wow. A bunch of stickers. LHT Performance stickers. You know where they're going. Bam, right there. That's for sure. What else we got here? Very well packaged, by the way. Wow. The keychain. Ooh, I think I know who's going to be using this. S2000. Oh, I know what this is. I've seen this before. That's really cool. I do know what this is. Wow. This is so going in the office. What? Let me see. Oh man, look at that. I'm already breaking it. Oops. Oh, no, we got it. That is so cool. Look at that. It keeps going. That's so neat. Well, that was my unboxing, guys. Once again, thank you very much. I mean, I am lost for words. All I did was bought a t-shirt and they sent me all of this. And by the way, I'm not getting paid to do this. I just feel like sometimes you got to give credit where it's due. And on that note, catch you guys later. One more thing, guys. This is just to show you guys just a small detail of, you know, what happens when you put the content out there. People, you know, they're actually listening. And for the LHT guys, I just want to show you guys a little something that I did. Hopefully you guys can pick out. Yeah, I did change my screws. Why? I don't know. Because I guess it looks better. Anyways, later, guys. Thank you. You ready? Ready? Oh, you're not supposed to touch it.